now I've been driving, I'm in second gear or I'm in third gear, and I'm getting to a place where I want to now bring the car to a standstill. Okay, and I'm going to bring my car to a standstill somewhere here. So what I do is I start very softly braking, and then I press my clutch fully in and continue to softly, you're feathering your brake until your vehicle comes to a standstill. And then as soon as your car has come to a standstill, you put up your handbrake and you put your gear back into neutral, and then you can bring both of your pedals carefully off. And that's it. I'm approaching a stop street now, so I'm braking, and when I'm ready I'm going to press in my clutch, and I just continue softly braking until my car comes to a standstill, and we put up our handbrake and we put our gear back into neutral. I hope that helps you to pass your driving test with confidence. Now go outside and have a blessed day.